Okay, you remember this? The reason why I'm out is because I actually realised that this and my camera actually failed to record. So we're going back in, which is weird, but yeah, that's great. See, that's the 80s cone hidden lift right over there. You can clearly see, but it is there. Oh, you can see the lift shaft doors. There, that's great. So let's, New Zealand Law Society. I'm not going in there. So let's go. Oh, that's the right way down to the basement. And as you expect, the lifts here are horrible and crappy generics. And did you actually know? Here's the difference. That one has a small chime, 9 slots, so we have to go to 8. Has a smaller chime, but when we get up to 8, we are going to find out the difference. Yeah, this is lift 1. We're going to ride lift 2 down and find out the difference for the other lift. But first, let's get this cab view and the capacity. Hey! Oh, there it is. Let's bring the capacity on. Maximum load 19 kilograms or 12 persons. There, let's get this lift down. And we've got the same lift. Again, we'll go back down to 1 because we don't want to get caught. Oh, as again, same capacity. We'll just look at the indicator then. Actually, see if we can get this. Nope, the fail. Try this. Yeah, just like I thought. Epic fail. I think this used to be an old lift here. Oh dear. Oh, look at the tiles from the floor. And here we are on floor 1. Anyway, let's send this back down to ground and get out. Yeah, that's this time. Now let's see what happens to the other lift. Well, here's the difference. Yeah, see those up and down indicators. There used to be an old lift here, which was horribly modernised. And we get the same lift. Just went down to ground floor and then went back up to 1. Oh well. Anyway, you'll find the difference on the ground floor. See, it just recalled down to the ground floor and then just went back up again. It's weird. Here's the lead box for 1, 2, 3. Now let's press down because that lift doesn't actually go to serve it. And let's find out the difference. But before we do that, look at this slideshow. But we actually have no time for slideshows. And this lift's coming down. That's facing Tower Road. And guess what? Let's stop to the first floor. Oh, doesn't have Dewhurst on the outside, but the inside does. And here I is on the ground floor. And its chime is so loud. Same capacity, except the only difference is service to basement. Just has a larger sound. Yeah, that is the difference. And as you can see, that's it. Woohoo! And for real time.